Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and manage iCloud storage for mail. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your iCloud mail. So just go ahead and open any browser that you prefer and search for iCloud mail and click on the first link and make sure that you're logged in into your account. So there are a couple ways you can simply go ahead and manage your iCloud storage. So first is by clicking on this gear icon, clicking on settings, and then simply clicking on cleanup. You can simply turn off or turn on the cleanup, where what happens is you can simply go ahead and unsubscribe from recommendations, clean up old promotions, clean up old updates and stuff like this. You can simply go ahead and click on these and then just simply go ahead and trash them. Click on turn on. That is about it. You can just turn on every single one of it. So unsubscribe from the old one, this one as well, and once you do all of that, it's going to simply go ahead and automatically clear all the storages and make sure that everything is right and working. Now the other thing which you can do is simply go ahead and upgrade your storage right over here. So your iCloud storage, you can simply click on that, and now you can simply go ahead and upgrade this by purchasing it, as you already know, by simply choosing another plan for $9.99. As you can see, 50 GB, 200, 2 TB, so stuff like that. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.